and today we'll be exporting not Unity assets, Unity games. So this is going to be our experimental thing, which is a game that I developed. It only has 2 levels right now, and it's quite short, so I'm just going to test this out and then I'm going to export it. So right now we're going to be exporting a game. So first make sure that you test it out, because if there's any bugs, you don't want it to get saved and passed on. So I'm going to test this and get back to you. Okay, so now that it's tested, let's go to File, Save, and then File, Build Settings. And now make sure that you have all of your scenes in your build. Otherwise, if you don't have one scene in your build, then that scene won't be in your game. So I already switched this to WebGL. So you click Switch Platform, but for me, this is already in WebGL. And you click Build right here. You select the folder and you let it run. Okay, after this is done, I'm going to get back to you. Okay, so now that it's done, at least for me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload it to something called Simmer.io. And what you do in Simmer.io is it's a place where you upload Unity games. So open a new tab, and this is my shortcut. And I'm going to go back to my profile. Okay, right here. Now I'm going to upload a game and set it to this. It's called Web. I named it Web. You can name it something else. This is a small game, so first let's call it Freefall. Freefall. Fell. I'm just gonna play the game to give it some screenshots. So like what you do here is when you play the game, it takes screenshots which you can select. So then you can use that screenshot in things for your game. So like if I fall and hit the wall. I think I've played enough. Save this upload. I won't add a description. This looks quite good, but I guess this is gonna be mine. It is 3D. So now I'm just selecting what category this is. It is a simulation. And I think that's pretty much all it is. Now I'm just double checking if there's anything else. No, nothing else. Now let's save, view my content, and here we are. First, let's go to full screen so that we can actually see the whole menu. Now, here's the tutorial level, and this looks a little bit wonky because you never know what could happen to a game when it gets exported. Could get corrupted too, so I guess yeah, there's some wonky things that can happen to your game if just like this, where it was nothing like that in Unity. I think it's just a little worked up because it's really hard to. Oops! Wow, I keep making this mistake. But I think it's just getting worked up because it's really, really hard for you to exaggerate too much, because the thing may not be able to handle it, the file. So the export may not be able to handle it. And other than that, unless you want, please comment and subscribe to see more videos, and pretty much tell me whatever you want to do in the comments. Maybe I'll make another coding for beginners video. So comment and subscribe if you want me to make a Unity thing of all the beginners basics for Unity, and bye.